OMG.
U.S. National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning.
Everything's been canceled. Obviously, we can't go anywhere. I gotta show you this. This is so crazy. So we are now, look how much it's blowing. Good morning, everybody. It's dark. Can you even see me? You probably can't. Anyway, it is about 6:52 in the morning. I just woke up about 10 minutes ago, but I want to show you what's going on. So it's going to be dark. We are in the middle of a winter storm warning. And I don't know if you can see in the light there, but can you see? Here, can you see out there? You see how the snow is blowing? So we are looking at possibly 12, 13 inches of snow, blizzard conditions, ice, and then when this is all over, the next day, so it is Friday, oh, excuse me, it's Friday. This started last night, so it was supposed to start at midnight. And it's supposed to go through tomorrow. And then it's supposed to stop. And then we're supposed to get negative temperatures, like up to negative 45 degrees below zero. So with the wind chill. So we are just hunkered down. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of anything. Can you see it blowing out there though? I don't know if you can see it in the light. I'm gonna show you something. So you see how the street is? Our driveway was cleared like that when we went to bed last night. So, I don't even know if you can see it, but there is our driveway, covered in snow. Oh, there is so much snow. Oh. And look at, there's the table. It's hard to see right now, but I'll show you again later. Okay, so the snow has definitely picked up. We did just have really light, fine snow coming down. That is how much snow accumulation we have on the table. I don't know if that's a good predictor of how much snow we have, but at least it gives you an idea. Yeah, look at that snow coming down. Our driveway is fully covered. So we'll see. It's cold out, but not as cold as it's supposed to get. It's gonna get very, very cold here very soon. Yeah, see, I have the fireplace covered up there right now. And I'm glad I did because there's icicles hanging off the wood pieces, so. Well, I think our snow has definitely picked up. Open this door. Hopefully it doesn't send me into a coughing fit.
OMG.
Yeah, we have a lot of snow coming down now.
Funny? Y'all know something funny?
What?
The guys literally came and shoveled this like a day ago.
I know.
I hope. Oh, it's all over my feet.
Look at all that snow.
Something was walking.
U.S. National Weather Service has issued a blizzard. It'll be in effect from January 12th, 5 p.m. CST until January 13th, 12 p.m.
Okay, so the weather service.
No. Don't.
I'll go out the other door. He's got the birds out. He's like, no.
Hey.
He didn't want me to open the front door. Well, I can see why.
Hey, guys.
This girl can fly.
Go back. You ready?
Yeah.
Stay there.
Let's see what she does. Watch her. Go get him, girl. Get your boy. Get your boy. Go get him.
Well, I gotta get closer. And then I'm gonna
Come on, go get him.
back.
Go get him.
Come on. Ready?
Stay back. She'll come. Hold your arm out. Go on. Go get him. Go get him. Go get your boy. She's so cute.
Come on, here. What if I go the other way? Oh, here she comes.
Go get him. Go get your boy.
Get him.
Hold your arm up. She's
No,
like,
go
I don't
just fly.
know. I don't know if I want to. You might as well just pick her up. She wants to come. She'll fly though. She knows how to fly.
Come on. Come on. Yep. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Yep. If I walk past, she's gonna fly.
Go walk back a little further. Oh, there she goes. She's like, that's my boy. Where are you going with him? Get him. Go get him.
Come on.
Go get your boy.
Here she comes. Go back farther. She'll come.
She's like, where are you going with my boy?
Oh, here she comes. Mom, look how far down I am.
She does not like to be away from him. Here she goes. There she goes. Come on, use those wings, girl. Good job.
She's landing right on my finger. You're good at flying.
So she taught herself how to fly because these two are a mated pair and she does not like to be away from him.
Which we're thinking once she's old enough, we should breed them.
Somebody
and
pooped on you.
They would, oh, it was him. Could you get that off?
Did you poop on him? So anyway, I'm going to give you an update. We are under a blizzard warning. I actually haven't even started my school yet. It's pretty late in the day for me not to have started my school. But to be fair, on a typical Friday, we would be at our homeschool group. However, everything's been canceled. Obviously, we can't go anywhere. I gotta show you this. This is so crazy. So we are now, look how much it's blowing. Definitely under, ooh, that's cold, under a blizzard warning. There's our table. Look how much snow it's accumulated. Well, you can see on the grill. I mean, look at that. Look how much we have. I'm glad to be in a warm home, and I hope other people that do not have a home have found the capability to be somewhere warm today. I'm very blessed. Yeah, they said we could get up to 13 inches. Excuse me. All right, well, we'll just keep watching the weather and watching the snowfall. Yeah, look at our chairs that are outside. See the look how much snow is on them. That's so crazy. We've got over a foot of snow by now. It's definitely one of the snowier winters I've seen in a long time, especially this early. I mean, it's been all the way into February a lot lately where we've gotten snow. Where I remember when I was a kid, we had tons of snow by December. So listen to how quiet it is. Everything's muffled, except for the birds. You can hear them in the background, but...
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant.
So, I wanted to give you an update. I just finished my math class, which was stressful today, but I wanted to give you an update. Still snowing. It is, I think like 1:30 in the afternoon, and it has been snowing since I woke up at 6:45, and it was snowing, I think, since about midnight last night. So, I'm not even sure how much snow we've gotten, but it is a lot. So it's about 2:40 now. It's about an hour since the last time I showed you. But look at this. Oh, it's so cold out. I don't even want to open the door. And this is not even the coldest it's going to get. But look at, okay, so there's our lights. There's the little guy buried in the snow down there. The table. And it is still snowing, snowing, snowing. It has not stopped. It's so crazy. Look at my car tire. Now, mind you, this has been plowed out twice. So that's last night's accumulation. Look how much it's drifted up. I can't imagine being on the highway right now. A lot of times we'll like take you guys out and show you what the weather's like, but it's just too... Oh yeah, you can see it's blowing, so I'm sure it's worse on the highway. Ooh, brr! And we don't even have the winds here that they talked about potentially happening, like 45-mile-an-hour winds. So, at least not right now. And I'm pretty thankful for that. We're we're gonna measure from here, you guys. So there, look, there's his pants are completely covered. Our little, what am I trying to say? Not drummer boy, or nutcracker. So his pants are completely covered now. I wonder just how much further he'll get covered in the snow. All my candy canes are buried. Oh my goodness. There's still people out though, driving in it. Oh, if you don't have to, don't do it. Oh, look at the cars down the street. They're all buried in. Oh my goodness sakes. It is. It's definitely a storm.
Blizzard warning in effect from Friday, January 12th, 5 p.m. to Saturday, January 13th, 12 p.m.
Oh, so we're not even in the blizzard warning yet. This is just the snowstorm, you guys. Look, it's only 2:44. So this isn't even the blizzard. This is just the beginnings. Oh my goodness, of the blizzard. All right, well, I think this is the first time. Is this the first time that I've had to put a blizzard warning on our channel? I think so. It's been a long time since we've had an actual blizzard, so I'll be curious to see. We'll keep updating and filming as the night goes on and let you guys know what happens. Okay, Braxen's braving the snow. He's gonna go get our mail.
This is not my choice.
Hey! I told you you'd regret no sock!
Oh my God.
Look at it's blown up on our window. Hey, was it cold out there?
No, not really.
Did you regret the decision not to wear socks though?
Only a little bit.
Have fun.
This is gonna be like
Crazy.
crazy.
You've never been in a blizzard
Look at
before,
that
have you?
table. Look at the table.
I know, it's
I can't even feel it.
so full of snow. Well, that's because you're bundled up good.
That's when I went out, so
Had to
I
get a
look
fake
like I'm
mask.
about to rob a bank, bro.
All right, have fun. Good morning. It's early. It's about 7:15. Not as early as I'd been getting up, but oh, this weather and cold has left me very tired. So I figured I would show you the aftermath of this blizzard. We're still under the blizzard warning until noon, so I don't know what we're gonna get yet today. I don't think much more, but I know that there's like a lot of high winds and stuff, especially in the highway areas. And they said this snow is really powdery, so it's going to make travel very difficult. But here in town, oh, excuse me. Oh. But within the cities and stuff, I think it's just a matter of starting to get dug out and stuff now. But I thought I would show you, oh my goodness, the aftermath of this storm. Look at this. There are my lights. And they are just, so Aspen cleared off my car and more accumulated on it after that. I'm gonna show you the table though. There's the table and the grill. Oh, it's crazy. How much snow we got. There's Matt's truck. Okay. Good evening, guys. So these guys are venturing out with their dad and Braxen to go up to the store.
Hello.
Hello. Is it cold out?
And not too bad.
Hey, when you come back, bring your coat in this time, though.
Yeah.
Don't leave your coat out there.
You're coming, right?
You think you find random things in your purse? You want to see what's in mine?
What's in your...
Tiny little...
That's one of those videos, what's in your purse. Ireland carries little plastic lizards in her.
Oh, and a light up frog ring.
I didn't even know you had a light up frog ring. Where did you get this? In your purse?
Fox.
Wallet in this
A little box.
We got Seymour Butts.
Your seal, Seymour Butts.
Captain America. Sanitizer. And then I got more on the other side.
Oh, you also have...
Yeah.
Why am I so close to you?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Gotta get that
moose.
close up.
Moose A Moose. Do you remember Moose A Moose?
No. Dumbo.
You're so cute.
I had Captain America again, but I don't know. Okay, y'all.
Look, he stole my hat. Yeah, he's in the car somewhere.
Oh, speaking of hats, you're almost stepping
I think in Dad's. Sorry, I didn't mean to step on your cute little hat. You guys, if you haven't seen this yet, she made it. Isn't that cute?
I started learning how to crochet.
Yeah, you taught yourself, didn't you?
In like a week. It was really hard because I had to watch a video, but all the videos I would find to do it, they'd go too fast, so I kind of just, you know, had to kind of piece it together in my mind how to do it.
All right, I'm gonna go venture out the back door and take the blocks off the fireplace so we can start a fire because it's about to be way below zero.
Flurries. Tonight's forecast calls for more of the same, with a low of -9 degrees. Also, there's a wind chill warning in effect from Saturday, January 13th, 6 p.m. to Tuesday, January 16th, 12 p.m.
Yeah, so in about an hour, we're gonna be under a wind chill warning. And when she says -6 degrees, she's not even talking about the wind chill. So that's just gonna be like the regular temperature without the wind chill. So as this goes along, we'll kind of keep you guys posted. We'll bring you along with us. I had my hair tied back. I was cleaning a shower earlier. So I've been doing this thing like where I work for 30 minutes and then I take a 10-minute break. A 10-minute break. What the heck? Anyway, where I work for 30 minutes, I take a 10-minute break, and then I'll do something around the house. And so I took 10 minutes earlier and I started scrubbing my shower, and then I just sprayed the cleaner on it and left it while I did another 30-minute stretch. And then I went up and I finished the other 10 minutes and cleaned it. And so that's how I have been getting housework done while going back to school, because it was quite a challenge the first time, the first semester. But now that I've kind of gotten things under my belt, I know what to expect. I know what my classes are going to be like, how the system works. I'm now able to work on getting my house routine in order. So that's what I've been doing, and it seems to work. I was actually inspired off of the Pomodoro, I think that's what it's called. It's a Japanese technique where you work for 25 minutes, focused, and then you take a 5-minute break. Except I tweaked it a little bit and I just did 30 minutes, so it was nice and even for me. And then 10 minutes, because it usually takes me about 10 minutes to make some headway on a task, whether it's switching a load of laundry. 5 minutes is just really seems to rush me, but that is working for me. And all in all, my house is looking nice. I mean, I have some, you know, I have some dishes in the sink. Those will get taken care of tonight. Oh, he's having to pull over. So our street, traffic can only go one way, and then while the other comes, it's hard to drive down. But anyway, I don't know what he's all doing, because he has the right of way, but maybe he's giving them the leeway. Anyway, so I got off task. But anyway, all in all, my house is staying pretty nice. I mean, it's lived in, obviously, But there's just a few dishes in the sink. My dining room table's nice and clean, except I've been sitting there working because it's just easier for me to sit at the table and work now than to stop what I'm doing, come out, help the kids. This way I'm right in the center of the home where the kids are. I can hear everything going on. And if they need my help or they need me to stop and make lunch or whatever, I'm right there and I can get right back into work. So, or I can say, hey, I have 15 minutes left on this stretch and then I'll make you some lunch, or I'll make us all some lunch, because I do in the middle of the afternoon take about a half an hour lunch break and eat some lunch then. And what I'll do, like while my lunch is cooking, instead of standing out here and waiting, I can just pop over, get some more schoolwork done while I'm waiting for it to cook or whatnot. Or I'll spend that half hour cooking and then I'll just eat while I'm doing school. So I think it works really well. Anyway, I've been off on this tangent. I'm gonna get outside before it gets too dark. It's about 5 o'clock now and we are quickly losing light. Look at this, I gotta show you. Can you see the lights? I don't know if you can even, can you see the little blue lights out there? Yeah, you can kind of see them, but they're so buried. Isn't that funny? Like most of them are buried. Most of them you can't see any of them on this side, so we may not see them again until spring. Oh well, I was gonna light them all up for Valentine's Day, but I don't think I will. I was gonna go outside, but Ireland asked me if she could wear my boots. And so I guess I'll be waiting till she gets back. Good thing I have a light in the back so I can see what I'm doing, but oh, it's gonna be so cold, and that wind chill is supposed to be here right about the time they'll probably be back, so we'll see. It's gonna be dark. Oh well, I'm gonna get back to doing some school. I am in the middle of reading the first chapter in my World Civ class. So last semester I took World Civilization 2. This semester I'm taking World Civilization 1. So yeah, oh my goodness, my hair is so flat today. Look at this. You can tell I had a hat on and stuff earlier. Ooh, hat hair. Anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm working on right now is my World Civ class. Tomorrow I will actually be completing, believe it or not, like I can't believe it, my first module of my math class. I've already completed my first module of my cultural diversity class, and I'm coming in to the end of the first module of my World Civilization class. So I'll officially be like that 1 week in. I mean, I think it's a little bit more than a week, but you know, that first, like I look at it like weeks that way, the way these units work. So pretty amazing. 2 semesters. It'll be pretty amazing when I'm able to say I have 2 semesters down. Now, granted, I'm not going full time. I'm going 3/4 time, so it's going to take me a little bit longer to get my degree. However, I am going to take some classes in the summer. Well, I'm taking 1 class in the summer, so that'll kind of boost that up a little bit quicker. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited that it's coming together and I'm doing it. I was really doubting myself at the end of the last semester, so I was doubting, should I do it? Or actually probably about midway through, I was wondering if I should do it. And then I got to the end of the semester and I ended up doing really well. I was very excited. I even got a scholarship, which was amazing to me. And so I'm glad. And so far I'm doing okay in the math class. The math class was my hardest one, and I was dreading it over the break. I was dreading the math class, but so far I'm doing okay. And this instructor has done a really good job of putting the math class together. So, okay, I'm gonna quit talking. I'm gonna get working. That's what needs to happen. I have 17 pages yet to take notes on, and that can take a while in history class.